I've titled this video, I won't be buying the DJI Air 3S. Now, obviously, this is the Air 3, and I bought this probably about a year ago. Obviously, at the time, they're all saying, oh, we should add a 1-inch sensor. Well, funny enough, the Air 3S has got a 1-inch sensor, which is good to see. It's a 50 megapixel camera. It's 4K with 120 frames per sec. It's got a tele lens of 9 times zoom. But I ain't going to buy it, guys. Now, there's two main reasons why I'm not buying it. The first one, unfortunately, here in Spain, when I got this, I could fly it at night. And I'm on about video capture. The problem is with DJI is when you're flying at night, especially here in Spain, you've got the green flashing lights, and as soon as you put on record, those lights go off. Now, I'll take it to do with maybe it interferes with the camera, I don't know. Anyway, here in Spain, to keep within the law, I can't fly it. So that's probably one of the main reasons, because they do say with that bigger sensor, you're going to get much a clearer shot at night time. Well, you know, I won't be able to use it, so that's no good to me, is it? But the main reason, as you can see here, I'm a bit of a drone addict, and all these are all DJI drones. I haven't bought every one. I wish I could, but I haven't bought everyone. The main reason, and I'm going to say it again, the main reason why I'm not buying the Air 3S is because the wife. If the wife knew I bought this, something similar to this, she would kill me, because I've got a lot of jobs to do at this time of year. And spending that type of money on another drone very similar to this, 45 minutes of flight time, wow. And the other thing is, it's got a new gizmo thing called the RC track. And what it is, it's like a tracking beacon that you can put in your pocket, so you don't need your controller on you. Anyway, I won't be getting it, because if I did got it, now I did get the Neo, because I said I made a video on that saying I won't be getting a Neo because this is a selfie drone. But when I saw the price of it, I just had to get it. My wife hasn't even noticed, because it's such a small thing. She hasn't noticed, and she don't watch my channel. She doesn't know I got this, but that was 200. Whereas this, I'm sure we're talking over 1,000. I wouldn't be surprised. I mean, I use this drone when I go out flying to capture some video shots. I know this wouldn't cope with it, and the quality of the video is not that brilliant anyway. But this, I know I call it the beast. So, how many more of you lot out there have the same reason? Yeah, my wife, I wouldn't be getting any more dinners. Anyway, just a bit of fun, guys. But it'd be nice to hear from you. What reason? Well, aren't you getting the Air 3S? Or are you getting the Air 3S? As always, guys, there'll be another video coming very soon.